Hi, Michael Newrock here. I'm on the dollar yen. I'm on the 15-minute chart, and I'm looking at a buy. So I'm going to put this to the side. You can see we had some nice moves upward, then down. We've had one buy that failed, and now we've got another buy at around the same level. So 4 out of 6 of the high time frames are pointing up. My RSI is up, my MACD is strongly up, and my stochastic has just had a recent crossover. So it's looking good all round, and I like the attack, the steepness of this particular trade. There's some nice room to move to the recent high, so I'm just going to click yes, and we'll get this trade underway. So there you go. Stops have been placed just under the slow-moving average. I can place it wherever I want. It's been dynamically generated, and I can even customize that. 40 pips risk, about 60 pips to the upside for the last recent key high on this time frame. So just looking at it on the 4-hour, you can see that there's even more room to move to the upside, around 120, 130 pips. So here we are on the daily, and again, we can see that 120, 130 pip. Now on the weekly, you can see that there's plenty of room. You know, the picture changes, right? There's 440 pips to there, and about 1,000 pips, just over 1,000 pips to the ultimate upside on the weekly time frame. So this is all captured on a 15-minute time frame. So, you know, will it get up that high? Who knows? But the whole goal of a trend profiteer trader is to catch these trends and catch these swings within trends and hold on for as long as you can. Now, obviously, you want to close your trades out when any corrections happen, as they invariably do. But you know, for now, we're looking at a really good potential trade on the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to pause the video right now and come back as soon as I have an update. Cheers. Okay, so here I am on the dollar yen on the 15-minute time frame. The trade started here. As you can see, we've had lots of swings to the upside, and my positions have both been closed. I'm sorry, I totally forgot about this trade. When you have lots of trades going and trend management's being handled for you automatically, sometimes you know you'll have a trade that slips through. But take a look at this. I mean, 1,839 bucks thereabouts. Wonderful. Wonderful result, particularly for a trade that I really didn't have much to do with. 90 pips, 90 to 100 pips shy of the ultimate high. So, you know, it's bittersweet. It kept on going. But hey, 82, 83 pips in profit is where it got closed out. So, you know, I'm more than happy with that. Taking a look at it on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, you can see that it did actually break above that recent high. But you know, my trend management was in place. I was able to lock on those profits, those pips, and the trades were automatically closed out on those corrections for both positions. So, you know, I only used one lot positions on these trades. So you can see here my stops in place here and just above. So that's where they got taken out just prior to the next big swing. But hey, you got to be happy with what the market gives you, and you know, over $1,800 is a wonderful result in the bank, converted into capital in my account. So now I can continue to trade with a bigger account. So the more money you have, the more money you can trade on your lot sizes, the more money you can potentially make. Or you know, it can be part of my monthly withdrawals, and 1,800 bucks is 1,800 bucks. It all goes to, you know, whatever you have planned, whether it's cost of living or luxuries, but it all helps. So that's the good thing about having a passive income stream that you know, that you can count on for being able to produce you know, ongoing consistent results. But you know, of course, you need to have the right system, the right training, the right resources, in this case the right software, to be able to allow you to do those things, because you know, the market doesn't take any prisoners. This is this is a zero-sum game. There's every possibility that you can lose everything. So you need to have your wits about you. And you need to have all of those elements in place if you want to, make a go of this trading thing and actually make some real money. At the end of the day, it's just like everything in life. You need to put the effort in to get the rewards back. And it's the GIGO principle. You need to put goodness in to get goodness out. If you put garbage in, you're going to get what? Garbage out. So it's just vitally important for you to understand that. And when you get these wins, to be able to hang on to them and have your trade management look after you when you're not looking after the trade yourself personally. So great result. And until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.